Hey guys, we got the diff back. It looks nice and clean. Everything has been refreshed inside and out. All the bearings, all the washers, even the gears inside. So as I was suspecting that the gears were just worn out, were a bit too sloppy, and it caused my noise on the highway, whining, and this is different now, nice and clean. As you can see, it's just sitting here. Everything is brand new or clean, replaced, whatever we can replace. So guys, so we have the old gears in here. I haven't looked at them myself. They look okay, but as you can see, they have some, oh, this is chipped right here. I don't know if you guys can see. Right there. That's chipped. You can see some wear on the edges of the teeth. Other than that, it doesn't look too bad. But the bearings inside, everything else was just worn out, and it needed to be refreshed. So this is a stock 355. That's exactly what's back on the diff itself. And now we're just gonna put everything back together. And here we go. So guys, we got the diff on the actual jack, which was hard because the car wasn't high enough, and I had to bring the diff inside, then put it back onto the actual jack. But now it's set up, and now we're gonna pretty much start putting it back in. We gotta get these two bolts at the back here, which go into this bracket right over here, this on the top left. And then we need that bar that goes across in the front. And then I'll show you how that works.